Welcome to Physics Concepts Lecture 29. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of light waves. What exactly are light waves and how do they behave? Huygens' principle states that every point on a wavefront can be considered a source of secondary wavelets. These wavelets spread out in the forward direction at the speed of light, forming new wave fronts. Diffraction is the bending of light as it passes around an obstacle or through a narrow slit. This phenomenon causes the light to spread out and create patterns. When light passes through openings of various sizes, diffraction patterns are formed. These patterns can be observed as fringes in the shadows of monochromatic light sources. Interference occurs when two or more waves overlap, resulting in reinforcement or cancellation. Constructive interference leads to brighter light, while destructive interference can cancel out the light. Interference patterns are created when overlapping waves from two sources interact. These patterns can be seen as concentric circles or other shapes depending on the wave sources. The double-slit experiment demonstrates how light passing through two closely spaced slits creates an interference pattern. This pattern is a result of the superposition of light waves. Newton's rings are a type of interference pattern created by the reflection of light between two surfaces. These rings can be observed as concentric circles of varying brightness. Rainbow colors in a soap bubble are a result of interference. Light waves reflected from the inner and outer surfaces of the bubble create a spectrum of colors. Polarization refers to the alignment of the transverse electric vibrations of electromagnetic radiation. Polarized light waves vibrate in a specific direction, either horizontally or vertically. When light passes through crossed polarizers, the vertical component of the light is blocked by the second polarizer. This effect can be illustrated using a rope analogy. A hologram is a two-dimensional microscopic interference pattern that shows three-dimensional optical images. It is created using laser beams and photographic plates. Let's summarize the key terms we've covered: Huygens' principle, diffraction, interference, polarization, and hologram. These concepts are fundamental to understanding light waves. Interference results from the superposition of different waves, while polarization aligns the transverse electric vibrations. Holograms use interference patterns to create 3D images. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Add a comment below the video to share your thoughts and let us know what you learned and what topics you'd like to explore further. This presentation contains copyrighted material used under the Fair Use Doctrine for educational and research purposes. All rights belong to their respective copyright holders. Links are provided in the video description to relevant resources.